to me. You really mad that you can't fuck with me. You X me out, you ain't have to fuck with me, nigga. Why you came to fuck with me? I do anything for you, I just don't know what they want.
What's poppin'? It's your boy Perfect Young, and I'm back again with another video. So today we gotta do another vlog. You might see Gabby, and I think that's maybe Markaysha, I don't know. But I'm on my way to Dumbo, Mamu, where I'm from. I'm about to go drop off some stuff, head to Lafayette, go finish school shopping. Senior picture shopping, and try to like find at least another outfit, so I can have like at least a couple of pictures, because it's coming up. So y'all about to just see me do some of this, the music I just jammed to in the car.
This one here, they gon' like this one here, T2. Let's get 'em. I walk up in the club, niggas holler. Before I made a damn sale. Don't believe it, you can ask your girl. Your pussy clean, you don't fuck a lot of niggas. Your baby daddy comes, but they take care of the little. I say you home, girl. I say you home, girl. You know you home, girl. So home.
And she kiss me on my chest, know how to cater. Try that off and bring my paper. Thug pad, thug pad, thug pad. Make your nigga smile when he feeling down. What you know about that, girl? Thug pad, thug pad. Spinning what you want, drinking what you want. Diamonds on my neck. I don't want to just, I like one sex. But nothing to
I'm throwing ones cause I got some fucking meat. I'm just trying to, but knowing me, you know I'm a G. Got to the crib, made her eat that 3. Bad like Kim K, and a nigga trying to stab like OJ. Wake up in the morning, light up, boot up, what? Light up, boot up, light up, boot up.
that pussy keep calling me. That pussy get me in trouble.
Thinking, I'm doing, don't worry about it, baby, you have fun now. A lot of money in my bag. Hard up,
All that shit that I had did, and I'm thankful for that shit that you had done while we was kids. Been putting my soul up in this music, and I'm hoping that.
Come on, Jay. Jay. Oh, stop.
You scared?
Yeah, stop fucking around, motherfucker.
You're not gonna die with me. I promise you ain't gonna die with me.
Jay.
that stick everywhere I go. Cause these niggas.
You guys, I finally made it by Gabby. Just waiting for her to come out. But damn, girl, you didn't tell me I was bringing everybody.
Oh, it's this just drink. My stomach hurt. I had to say I was going with him. In the rig, bro.
Boom, 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 boom.
He gonna hit that tree.
In the ditch.
Hey,
Call like
y'all.
that. Why smell the weed? You smell it too,
Dre, you got some weed?
huh? You smell it?
Nah, right now.
You don't smell it.
I don't smell it.
I smell it.
I don't smell it. Then again, y'all hear my voice and my nose stopped up, so.
What you say with your
Fuck that
mouth?
fucking pussy. Throw that fucking ass.
Kendra she had to get all cute for Dre.
Shut the fuck up.
She jumped out the bitch. Oh my god! She said, what? Dre's here.
She ain't gonna put filler makeup on.
No, Kendra don't wear makeup.
She was
She lies. She would go dig in her mama bag.
Man, play that song.
What song?
Pop that pussy, pussy pop, don't hide that pussy, pussy pop. Pop it, don't
So how
hide
y'all got
it,
away
they
from
want it, you got
You
it.
tell her my papa was taking this eat.
Now what if she asks him that?
Go,
Huh?
She better not.
go.
Y'all don't think. I don't know how to twerk in no sweatpants.
You was just twerking.
None of us do.
Go, whoa, whoa, go, whoa,
do like Mark and do a split.
Marky can really do the splits and twerking the splits. Marky can shake his ass to any fucking beat. That pussy don't hide that. She got a big old pussy and she pop. I'm about to get out. Oh, Markaysha.
Bend over, girl. Bend over, girl. Pop that pussy.
Come get this light, sis. Come get this light, sis.
Man, no, my face broke out.
So mine is too, but you can't tell.
I'm hit. Hey, y'all.
Look like I just washed my face because I just got the bed. I'm sick. Kendra, where Kendra at? Kendra need to bring her ass out. She need to stop worried about Dre. I'm about to come take some pictures.
That pussy playing peekaboo. She got that pussy playing.
Look at that mosquito.
Hey, you gotta do the Ratchet. Put that on.
Oh my god, the vlog gonna be just me.
They close cause your pussy gotta go. And I'm a ratchet man, but I'm a savage. You wanna burst King G's and put the taxes in it. You got a long titty, you got a project full of hoes. Do the ratchet, now do the ratchet, oh yeah. Now do the ratchet, yeah, do the ratchet. He ratchet, she ratchet, he ratchet, she ratchet, he ratchet. My soldiers right on side me, half on kidding me, yeah. This nigga head with this strip of Hennessy. If I lose my life tonight, I want y'all to remember me. So we show we wanna be a gang.
Outside when it's cold, I'll be your soldier. Anything you need, just let me hold ya. I'm gonna make sure I get